Alright guys, wanted to kind of go over where we are on the boxlock project. The barrels had no problem fitting, and if you remember correctly, we didn't have a forearm at all, and I got the forearm iron in and nothing would fit, so we had to fit this to it. Still got to go back through and be boiled one more time, because if you look, even where I've tried to file and polish down all that pitting, well, you never get all of it out because it is what it is. It's just old and beat up. But if you look, you see still got some rust down inside some of those deep pits that's already converted back to brown. It's already converted back to red. So we're going to take and go through and boil these again, make sure we get all the rust out. We still got to do all the feathering and blending, but the thing I wanted to show you is we actually have fit this now to where this actually will work. Barrels, it'll drop down. Before we was not able to open the action but about that far. Now we can go all the way down with it, and our holes will fit. And we're able to take them back out. And that was the biggest problem we were having. Had to go in and fit this thing to the action. And now the way this should work is you'll have, everybody's familiar with the Anson Release. This is the push button. It goes up inside here like so. Fumbling around the camera. And then you have a little corresponding hole that goes inside the pin, so that when this is pulled forward, it'll lock into this surface here. And that's the thing that we want to, we don't want to be able to pull this back off. So it has to fit in there. So we're going to do some mild fitting on that. But basically, we should not be able to pull this off, which we can't until we push the button. Then when we push the button, we should be able to take it off. Okay. So now we're going to go through and polish and clean up all of these parts. Give them another boil to make sure we get all the rust out. And then we'll go through and polish and clean everything up and see if we have a forearm that will be able to be worked. We do got to clean it up a little bit. It's still real nasty. Got a lot of crud, but we'll clean it up. Alright guys, we got our forearm ironed together. Need to go in and do the final polishing and cleaning up on it, but it appears that it'll work. We'll get it all fitted to the shotgun. So now we'll lock it into place and be able to have a forearm. Doesn't come back off unless we push the button, which is what we want. Now we got to do a bunch of cleanup on the metal and the wood, and hopefully we'll be ready to start getting her put back together.